Hello guys, this is Clement. Welcome to my video once again. Today is Wednesday. Yeah, it's another time for us to do a midweek quick updates in the forex market. We are just going to look at how far the market has gone from Monday up to now, and we are going to see what we should expect from the market today, being midweek, and let's see how the market can play out for this midweek, and what we should expect for the rest of the what we should expect for the rest of the week. Yeah. So let's quickly take a quick look on what we should expect in the market. The market is going to play out this week. All right. So starting with crude oil. Yeah. Yesterday we picked a trade on crude oil, and we bought yesterday around here, and it's bought up to this level. That's about 34 pips. That's about $34. However, it came back down, and so we had to close it at around break even and 16 pips in loss thereabout. So it turns out that the market is still buying. If you had left it open, it will still be buying. And I strongly believe that with how the market has played out yesterday up to now, we are going to have it respect this head and shoulder pattern. Definitely, we are going to have it respect this head and shoulder pattern here. So yeah, yeah. So but before I can farm this, I can guarantee or confirm. Right, before I can guarantee and confirm this, we need to have make sure that price is able to stay below this level. If price is able to stay below this level, then uh, we are going to have this play out. We're going to have this play out. We're going to have this play out. And if so, let's see how that would work out, and let's see what we should expect from the market for now. So for now, I'm going to watch out and see how price stays below this resistance level, which should be our final confirmation to sell crude oil, and it will be a long sell for us. That's going to be about 300 pips in profit. So let's see how that goes, and we'll come back to that. I'll put premium group as time goes on. Now, gold gave us a massive sell-off yesterday. It gave us a whipsaw, some whipsaw happened there. When back a lot for you, have left it open, you'll still be 100 pips in profit by now. So for now on gold, what should we expect? For now on gold, I'm going to wait for the market here, and we'll see if want to continue. We'll see if the market want to continue buying or selling. So let's see how that plays out within around here. Let's see if the market want to buy or if the market want to sell. So I'm just going to watch gold and see how gold play out. And pound NZD, yeah, pound NZD gave us a nice move between yesterday and today. So we have broken. Look out for. We need to look out for this level. Yeah, so we need to look out for this level. This is a support here. It was a support here. This is something like a false breakout or thereabout. Yeah, a false breakout. Yeah, and this is where we are now. So we are still holding our sell on pound NZD. Oh, I did not enter a sell on pound NZD yet. I've not entered a sell on pound NZD yet. But if this level holds, I'm going to So this is looking like to watch. Let's see how NZD will play out within this. Would inform us on what we should expect from the market. But if I see that this level is holding, if I see that this level is holding, this resistance level is holding, most likely I would like to sell. I would like to sell most likely, and maybe sell down to this level. Yeah, that's what we'll be expecting on pound NZD. All right, and XAB themselves like this would play out. So definitely we are going to be having, it seems as though we are going to be having a sell down to this level. Definitely. So let's see how that would play out on pound NZD. So that's what I'm looking out for on pound NZD. And on pound AUD, you can see we are still in profits on pound AUD. So let me remove this line as well. Let me remove that line as well. So this is what we have on pound AUD. This is where our target is. So we are targeting this level on pound. Targeting around pound. How this pound AUD stays below this level. Have our target is a lot of sense, and we are going to. All right, so if this level holds as resistance here on pound AUD, we are having a risk-free trade running. If this level breaks, this is our target right here. So if our target is met, definitely we would keep going down. Now there are two things I can see on this chart. Let me show you. This is one. This pattern is one of them. Let me show you very quickly. X, A, B, C, and D. So this pattern is one thing I'm seeing on the chart. Can you see that? Now let's remove this pattern. Let me show you something else I can see on the chart. This is another. Actually, this is another thing. X, A, B, C, D. So you can see definitely we are most likely going to have price come down to this level before we see anything happen again on pound AUD. So let's see how that would play out on pound AUD, and we're going to use that to make our final decision on pound AUD for today or for the rest of this week. On pound USD as well, this is what we have. If this level is holding on pound USD, it would not be a bad idea to sell. It will not be. So let's see what's happening on the 1 hour chart for pound USD. All right, this is what we have on the 1 hour chart on pound USD. I can say this is something like a stop hunt, but let's see how that would go, and let's see how that would play out on pound USD. So that level holds on pound USD. It will make sense for us to sell. Of course, we trade carefully. And on pound JPY, this is pound JPY. This is what we have on pound JPY. What do we have here? Okay. All right. We have this level here. At this level there, which is holding as a resistance. There's a resistance here, it became a support here. Now let's see if it's going to hold again as a resistance, and we're going to use that to make our final decision on pound USD, on pound JPY. Yeah, so let's move on. CAD JPY, I think I would let's see what we have here. Let's see what we have here. Okay. All right, so let's see if we are going to have price get to this level. Let's say we are going to have price get to that level, which would actually give us this, which would make this place a confluence. Let's see if that level would be tested on CAD JPY. So I would like to see how that would play out on CAD JPY. So let's see how that would play out on CAD JPY. Euro JPY has broken below as well. So I'll be looking out to see if we are having a possible retest. If a retest is possible, if a retest is not possible, then we would look for another opportunity to enter our sell. Well, let's see how that would go. The ship has sailed. It would not be a wise idea to jump in right now. That ship has sailed, so it's not wise for you. It's not wise for you to jump in right now. So let's see how that would play out. Now, CHFJPY seems to have tested and break out and retest and that level. So if you are interested in selling CHF JPY, now might be a good time for you to sell with a reasonable risk to reward ratio. So I think I'll be interested in selling CHF JPY as well. So once I'm done with this video, I'm going to be dropping this signal for my team for CHF JPY. Euro USD, let's see what's happening on Euro USD for 1 hour. All right, this is 1 hour Euro USD. Now look at this area. Look at this area here. Um it's looking like it's breaking below this level, so that might be a good opportunity for us to actually sell Euro USD. Yeah, that might be a good opportunity for us to sell Euro USD. But of course, you have to be careful so that you will not fall into the trap of the market. So let's see how that would play out on Euro USD. I feel it's likely going to sell more. It will sell more this for the rest of this week. So let's see how that would go on Euro USD. USCHF definitely would also buy it as we tested here. You can see it as we tested here. And if this closes like this, it will be a good opportunity for us to buy. So let's see how that would play out on USDCHF. I would prefer to buy USDCHF down to sell Euro USD because this can give us level. This can give us a good yeah, that can give us, this is a resistance. So that having would make a lot of sense for USDCHF to buy than to sell Euro USD. USDC card is still ranging within this level, so let's just ignore it and let's move on. Let's not waste our time on USD card. It's still ranging within this level. So let's just move on. NZD card, it's our stop loss this morning. So let's see what's going to happen here. Let's see how this is going to play out on NZD card. So let's wait and see what's going to happen in this area for NZD card. And then we'll come back to that. The AUD has also seemed to be trapped within this level as well. It's not breaking below, it's still within that level. So let's see what's going to happen on AUD as well. So I'm going to let that slide. Yes, JPY2, I'm going to let that slide. Nothing has significantly moved. The Euro card surprised me a lot. I never expected it to come this far. Yeah, I never expected it to come this far. So it has broken lowest area. It seems to have broken below it there. So we can see what we have here. So it has retested that level as well. So let's see what's going to happen on Euro card. I'm not interested in trading Euro card for now. So the ship has sailed, and that's a lot of pips. I saw it here. I was supposed to sell around here, around there or thereabout. So that's about 200 pips that I gave to the market. So let's move on. Pound CHF is still like that. So it's closed us out at break even. We took 70 pips in profit. Yeah, we took 70 pips in profit, and then it closed us out at break even after our 70 pips in profit. So let's see how this will play out on pound CHF. Let's see what's happening on the 1 hour. All right, this is what's happening in 1 hour. I still feel it's going to sell, so I feel it's still going to sell. It's just trying to close out some people's orders. The market makers are just trying to close out some people's orders before they continue their sell. So that should be all for now. Let's look at Euro AED. Finally, Euro AED is making some sense. I saw this on Monday, and I said we are going to have. I don't know if you remember if I mentioned this on Monday. X, A, B, C, and D on Euro AED. So this is what I expect Euro AED to play out for us, and it seems as though we are going to have that maybe the rest of this week or next week. So let's see how that would happen. I'll be interested in selling Euro AED below this level. Below this level, I'll be interested in selling Euro AED. So that should be all for now. So I hope you are picking things from my videos, and I would love to see you on Friday. On Friday, we're going to look at the psychology behind your trading capital. On Friday, we are going to look at the psychology behind your trading capital as our case study for this week. So I made a post on my channel this morning about how your capital can affect trading your trading psychology. So I'm going to do an exposition on that on Friday in Friday's video. So I hope to see you in Friday's video. Don't miss out. You can set your notification to be on and subscribe to this channel so you can get to know when my video is out as soon as they are out. I celebrate you so much and I hope you are learning. I hope you are getting better. That's my biggest goal for you, to become better as a trader. And I hope to see you in my next video. Have a lovely day.